What is context? Context is a situation in which something happens. At least that's what Google says. But what does context mean in design? What is the relevance of context within design? Well, let us find out.
For me, the context is the why behind everything.
I think design doesn't exist in vacuum.
So, design is a holistic concept.
And design is influenced by the factors behind it.
I think that these factors that influence the design we make and transform it into the present form create the context in design. In order to further broaden our understanding of context, let us take some examples from our everyday activities, such as wearing socks or perhaps cooking a dish in a pressure cooker. These acts are pretty simple and a part of our everyday life. We use these items on a daily basis. But have you ever wondered what factors influenced their present form? In case of the socks in the 1930s, when wool became a bit too expensive for the manufacturers, there came a new fabric called nylon. It was a synthetically made fiber developed in a lab. And nylon proved to be much more useful as it was cheaper and thus saved money from the pocket of the manufacturer. Or let's take the example of a pressure cooker made out of aluminium. But have you perhaps ever wondered why? That is because aluminium is a widely available metal that is easily extractable and cheap. Besides, it can be easily alloyed with other metals, making it the perfect metal from a manufacturing context. However, most of the products are actually developed for the consumers and the customers. Let's consider the example of organizing your clothes in an almirah. Perhaps you have used a hanger, a shoulder-shaped object that easily hangs in your almirah, making the organizing process so much easier. Or let's consider the example of nylon socks. Nylon socks with their satin weave are extremely durable, elastic and flexible, making it perfect from a consumer context. However, thinking only about our profit and convenience is a bit selfish. What about the environmental context? What happens to these items when they are discarded? For instance, the nylon bristles of a brush, which are non-biodegradable, but presently there is no alternative. Or perhaps the non-biodegradable nylon socks that will continue to fill our landfill. We have come quite far in terms of the development of our products, but there is still a lot to be done. We need to continue analyzing our context and develop items that are more suitable to the present world as well as the future.